Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the correct file and app are ready. Open the AI or cloud document in the mobile app. If it's an SVG or PDF, import it. Once done, sync with Creative Cloud or Dropbox to preserve layers and assets. Make sure you have enough storage and recent app updates for compatibility. Now tap to open the artboard you'll edit and confirm layers are visible, because keeping layers intact preserves editability and makes the next steps faster. You'll focus on the core edits: vector points, fills, and text. Use direct selection to move anchor points and pinch to zoom for precision. That's how you reshape paths without losing smooth curves. For text, tap to edit live type or replace fonts with mobile-friendly equivalents, and make sure kerning and line height look right. Next, tweak fills, strokes, and blend modes in the Properties panel, because small color or stroke changes can transform the whole composition. Save often to the cloud. You're in the final stretch. Tidy layers, embed or flatten artwork as needed, and check artboard dimensions before export. Export choices matter. Use PNG or JPEG for raster outputs, SVG or PDF to retain vectors. Once exported, save a cloud copy and name versions clearly so you can roll back. If something goes wrong, revert to the previous cloud version or re-import the original file. That troubleshooting step recovers lost layers or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.